In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a Capital One card declining. It can be quite frustrating when you're trying to make a purchase and your card gets declined. But don't worry, by following a few simple steps, you can usually resolve the issue quickly. First things first, grab your phone and open the Capital One mobile app. It's important to ensure that your card isn't locked. Sometimes cards can be accidentally locked, and unlocking it might just be the solution you need. If you find that your card is locked, simply unlock it and attempt the purchase again. This might solve the problem immediately. If your card isn't locked, the next step is to check your available credit or account balance. Often, a card is declined because there aren't sufficient funds or credit available for the transaction. Take a moment to verify your balance to ensure you have enough to cover the purchase. It might sound basic, but this is a common reason for a card to decline. You should also be on the lookout for any fraud alerts or security blocks. Capital One takes security very seriously, and if they suspect fraudulent activity on your account, they may block transactions until they can verify it's really you making the purchase. Check the app for any alerts or notifications that could indicate a security concern. If you're traveling, make sure to update your travel plans in the app. This ensures that Capital One knows to expect transactions from a new location, which can help prevent automatic security blocks. If you've checked all these areas and your card is still being declined, it's time to reach out for some live help. Use the in-app chat feature or contact Capital One support directly. Their customer service team can provide specific reasons why the transaction is being declined and help you resolve the issue. They're well equipped to assist with any additional steps you might need to take. And that's how to fix a Capital One card decline. By following these steps, you can identify and solve the issue, getting you back to making your purchases without a hitch. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and good luck.